How to convert Lazada Pay Later into Gcash. First things first, you're going to be doing this to your mobile device via the Lazada application. Both process or steps is going to be the same. So open up your Lazada app or through the web version of Lazada and ensure that you are fully logged into your account. The first things first is just head straight to your account and then hit on Manage My Account. So as you can see at the left portion of your screen, you will see different kinds of options. Now under Manage My Account, you should be able to see Lazada Wallet. But once you hit on this one, there's going to be a specific prompt that you need to complete your wallet verification in Lazada app for you to be able to use it. Now if you have enough funds from your Lazada Pay Later, then you can just actually transfer it over to your Gcash account. Just simply head on Cash In and input your Gcash account or Gcash credentials for you to successfully transfer it over. That's basically it. That's how you convert your Lazada Pay Later into Gcash.